Hi everybody, Prairie Wife here from prairiewifeandheels.com with another Stitch Fix unboxing. Our regular readers and watchers, if you're watching this through YouTube instead of through the blog, prairiewifeandheels.com, know that I've been doing Stitch Fix now for a couple years, and I definitely love it. I only get boxes every 3 months, so I kind of use it as a wardrobe refresher, and right now with this dreary winter weather we've been having in Wyoming, I can definitely use a little bit of a refresher. If you aren't familiar with how Stitch Fix works, you can click the link down below in the comments to check it out. Pretty much what you do is you fill out a quiz online, and then your Stitch Fix stylist sends you a box of items to try on. Keep what you want, return what you don't, and if you keep all of them, you get a discount. So let's just dive right in and take a look at my letter. Oh, hello, it says. And I'm trying to ignore the pictures of the clothing that are on here so I can still be surprised, but they do send you styling cards for different ways to style the clothing that's in there. So this is from Jan. She said she loved watching our video, and in my letter to her, because they ask you to write a letter before you receive each box, I asked for some brighter colors. I have lots of grays and blacks and creams in my winter sweater wardrobe, but I kind of want to punch it up a little bit. Part of that is because of that whole dreary winter thing. So she said there's a punch of there's a pullover to add a punch of color. She's got some edgier clothes in here. And another thing I love, so I've been doing Stitch Fix long enough that she is telling me what items I've received in the past I can use with what is in the box. So let's just do the unboxing. All right, so you can see I'm actually tearing it off. I haven't opened this up yet. I like to do a legit unboxing. Ooh, right away, look at this. It is a long, ooh, it has a hood on it. Ooh, I'm a sucker for that. So this is the Love Always Tana hooded cardigan. It's a size medium, and you can see it's got the color block style. I really like this pink right up by my face because that's a really good color on me. Good job, Jan. We're off to a good start. Ooh, and here's that bright color I was asking for. Another sweater. I did ask her for clothes that are for colder weather. This is the one she was talking about with the pop of color, and I kind of love the neckline on this because I'm a huge fan of wearing those lace bandeau bras and kind of have them peek through your outfit. And look, it has the patch, little patch there. It's not really one, it's just kind of a knitted pattern. This is the Market and Spruce, oh, I'm gonna say this wrong, Shea textured elbow patch double V neck pullover. Ooh, I really like this color too. We're 2 for 2 now. Okay, this is a little bit of a darker color, but I do love greens. They look good on me. This is Threads for Thought Aisha long sleeve knot front organic cotton blend knit top. I'm interested to see. This one is, you can see how it has that knot right there. This is one that I'm definitely gonna need to try on because I am really long-waisted, and while I don't mind layering, sometimes things like this kind of hit me weird. So have to check that one out. Ooh, another really pretty color. She did put some fun colors in here. This, I don't know if you can read it. It looks like a beautiful, like a deep lavender, I almost want to say. It's not wine colored. It has more purple in it than that. And you see it has a fun chunky knit here and back here. So cute with skinny jeans and leggings, right? Ooh, I can't wait to try these on. And there's accessories. I told her I didn't want any shoes because I have lots of booties and I've got enough winter coats, so I'm really glad that she listened. Look at how pretty these are. They are gold. I'm trying to see if there's a label on here. Stella and Ruby Lina Linear Threading Earring in Rose Gold. These are gorgeous, and I can see I would get a lot of use out of them. All right, let's try this stuff on. This is the color block cardigan. I just threw it over the tank top that I was already wearing under my hoodie that I started out the video with. I like the sleeve length. Regular readers and watchers know I have sleeve issues, so these are nice and long. It looked like it was gonna be kind of a scratchy knit, but it's actually really soft, which is wonderful. And I mean, how cute is the fact that it has a hood? Like, adorable, right? I love that. Soft, fun with the color blocking, like that the pink is right by my face. It hits perfectly, so you could wear it with a tunic top and leggings or skinny jeans. Jan, we're off to a great start. Let's try something else on. Okay, so here is the sweater that had the deep V-neck in the front, and in the back, and I like this. I asked for bright colors, and I told her too I wanted things that were a little bit more fitted, because a lot of that winter clothing can be super bulky and I'm just kind of over it at this point in the year. So she definitely followed through. This is a little bit loose here, so it fits comfortably, but it also has like a really nice flattering shape. And once again, how cute with the lace like halter top bra underneath it. I cannot wait to wear this. And once again too, the sleeves are long enough and the color is great. I really like the back. If you put it up too, you can have a little bit of neck showing there, but you're not going to be cold. Jan, we got 2 for 2. Is the knot front top that I was not, no pun intended, really sure about, and I kind of love it. First of all, it is a super soft fabric, which I think this one was organic. The knot is up high enough where you can have a little bit of a tank top like I have showing through, and it's okay, it's cute, adds another little punch of color. Or if you wanted to tuck it up, these are kind of a lower waist jean. These are not high-waisted. You can still get away with it. So if I wore it with high-waisted skinny jeans, there would be plenty of room to be modest and not have to worry about anything sticking out. But I kind of dig this look right here that I had, where it just gave like a little bit of pop of color. Has a nice length in the back, so if you want to wear it with skinny jeans, you would be just fine. Wear a longer top if you want to wear it with leggings. 3 for 3. Let's go ahead and see if we can try on the last one and have this be a 4-star box. Okay, this is the last sweater. I love that it has this chunky feel to it. A little bit slouchier than the other one, but I think it still is feminine because of the color. I love the sleeve length. You guys know I'm anal about that. And I like that it has a different knit on the back. Nice high color on there, so it keeps you nice and cozy warm. You can see you don't have to worry about any bra strap showing. I have that tank top layered and you can't see it at all. It does have a little bit of a longer length, so if you want to wear it with skinny jeans, you would be more comfortable if you needed to. Or I kind of like giving it this slouchy, more relaxed look right here. You could also dress it up with a super cute skirt and booties. I think I'm gonna have to keep everything in this box. Let's go talk about it. It pays off to take the time to write a note before you get each box to your stylist. Jan did everything I asked for. I asked for brighter colors. I asked for knits that were warm but were not too bulky. I said I didn't want any jeans because I have enough, and she definitely listened to me on that one. All right, so let's talk cost, because you know in the end that's what it comes down to. I love everything in this box, and when I say love, I mean love. I can get a lot of use out of it, office and home. Dress it up, dress it down. Every one of these items will look great with jeans or a nice pair of dress slacks, or like I said, a skirt. And actually, I'm thinking too that V-neck teal sweater, I could wear it over a couple of like cute romper pantsuits I have, or even a dress with the way that V-neck is. Ideas here. All right, so let's talk costs. So the total for everything in the box was $260. So if you keep everything, you get a 25% discount, which means I would be saving $65. So all 5 items, the 4 sweaters and the rose gold earrings, would bring us to a total, I already forgot the number, a total of $195. Totally reasonable. I'm familiar with all of these brands that are in here, and I can assure you that everything washes well and wears well. I'm still wearing tops I got 2 years ago in my first Stitch Fix box and getting compliments on them. If you're wondering if Stitch Fix is worth a try, I have been doing it for over 2 years now, and I have not been disappointed yet. I would definitely encourage you to do it. After all you're out is the $20 styling fee, which means you just have to keep one thing from the box to make it worth your while. If you want to give them a try, I got that link dropped below in the comments. Make sure you stop by prairiewifeandheels.com for more great content. You can follow us across all of our social media accounts. We want to hear from you. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. See, it's the end of the video. My brain has checked out. Don't forget to subscribe to us. Just click the red button. Lead a life of grit and grace, sass and style.